Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Public Service Commission, step by step. First, navigate to the official KPK PSC website. Your initial task is to create a new user account. This involves entering your personal details and your computerized national identity card number. It is crucial to ensure all information is accurate during this one-time registration. Upon successful completion, you will receive a unique user ID and password, which are essential for logging in and proceeding with your application. Next, it is vital to understand the eligibility requirements for the position you are interested in. These typically include nationality, educational qualifications, and age limits. Most posts require at least a bachelor's or master's degree from a recognized institution. The general age bracket is usually between 21 and 35 years, with age relaxations for specific categories. Gather all necessary documents, such as your academic transcripts, a recent passport-sized photograph, and your scanned signature, ensuring they meet specified formats. Once registered, log in to your account and find the job advertisement you wish to apply for. Carefully fill out the online application form, providing all personal, academic, and experience details. After completing the form, upload your prepared documents, such as your photograph and signature, adhering to the specified size and format. The application fee is typically 500 rupees for general category candidates, which can be paid through various methods like Jazz Cash, Easy Paisa, or bank deposits. Reserved categories often have a reduced fee of 250 rupees. The selection process for most KPK PSC positions involves a competitive written examination, followed by an interview for shortlisted candidates. The written test assesses your knowledge and skills, while the interview evaluates your suitability for the role. It is crucial to review all information thoroughly before submitting your application, as corrections may not be possible afterward. Remember to save your application ID and payment receipt. These are important for any future correspondence or inquiries regarding your application status.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.